hope you're all doing well. Hope you've been keeping yourselves entertained. I have. Now before I jump into talking about my sugar wax, I watch a lot of stuff on YouTube, and a particular channel that I've been watching, I think it's called Twin Paranormal. It's the two people that run it are two twins, River and Ryan, and they are ghost hunters. They've been into this since they were 10, I believe, when they were living in a house that their mum and dad were renovating, and they felt a presence that was following them, following them up the stairs. Anyway, these boys have developed such an interest, and obviously they've got friends that are the same, and their names are Wyatt and Nick, and they take you through all these adventures. I tell you, the episode that got me was the water demon. You can see the terrified look on their faces when they're hearing all these noises, and yeah, go check them out. They're really interesting, and I find them quite entertaining. They're a lovely group of boys, bit goth looking, but nonetheless, they're lovely, entertaining to say the least. Okay, so sugaring. I like to make my own wax. With sugaring, you can make it either a soft wax or a hard wax or like a strip wax. I like to use a hard wax, so that's the recipe I'm going to give you. And the way you make the hard wax, I'll go through it with you. I'll show you step by step. But I think in the clip, I actually say I used 1 cup of sugar. Initially, I began with 1 cup of sugar. But the mixture wasn't hardening up, so I did put in, which I don't show on there, another half a cup of sugar. So it's 1.5 cups of sugar. It's a 1/4 cup of lemon juice and a 1/4 cup of distilled water. And you put it on a stovetop, you mix it until it's like an amber colour. Mine came out a lot darker than an amber colour, but here it is. Still good, because I won't be heating that up anymore. The way I soften that up is I boil some water, take it off the stove, and I put the wax in there, wait for it to melt. When there's enough there that's melted, then I apply it to my face. Now, the reason why I like using the sugar wax and not the ones from the shops, they're completely different. This wax here will remove every single hair that you have, even hairs that you can't even see. So if you've got that very soft, superfluous hair, it'll grab all of it. Not only does it the waxing does such a great job with removing the hair, but it exfoliates really well. So if you're looking for, instead of doing like exfoliation and like something that removes the hair, you just use the sugar wax, and it does both. It is truly amazing. You can use it on your arms, your legs, your body, bikini line, your face. The face comes out the best. I have to admit that. I've never had a wax that's done a better job. Anyway, enough of my chitter chatter, and I'll just show you the clip of me making the sugar wax. So what we need is 1 cup of sugar. Put that in there. 1/4 cup of distilled water. 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Try and get that on there. And then we're going, God, that makes a lot of noise. And we're going to stir that. and we will come back when it's all done. And here we are, it's been on here for about 5 minutes and that's what it looks like. Give you a call back a little bit later and show you how it progresses. Okay, so here we are and it's nice and see-through, so now we're just waiting for the colour to be the right shade, and that way we know it's ready. So I've got this on, change the heat setting to from 4 to 7 or 5 to 7, and just try and speed up the process a bit. And we are getting closer to what it looks like, so hopefully the next time I put you on, it'll be ready. Okay, so it's nice and dark. Have my little bowl of water to see if it's the right consistency. So be very careful because it's very hot. Put it in there. I think you can see. Grab that out, and you know what? Perfect. Move it around.